Hi, I'm attorney John Ceci. I'm an estate planning attorney in Brighton, Michigan. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about why I think it's important for parents of minor children to have an estate plan. Now, when it comes to your children, chances are you've already done some pre-planning. You may have actually looked for a different neighborhood to live in after you have kids and looked at school districts, wanting to get your kids what you thought was in a good neighborhood and a good school district. If your kids are athletically inclined, you might research athletic camps they can go to, sports camps they can go to develop those skills in the summer. And you might even set some money aside so you can help them pay for college when they get older. So those are a couple of the big picture reasons why you should have an estate plan if you're the parent of a minor children. And now a little more specific. You may realize, or you may know, that when you're under 18, you actually can't own or manage property in your own right, in your own name. And so you need a person to manage whatever assets are left behind for your minor children. Chances are there's one or two people in your life who you'd be comfortable with those making those decisions. And there's probably another person or two who you'd prefer not to make those decisions. That's what you do in an estate plan is you say, these are the people I would like to have in charge of these decisions. And so if your situation ends up in front of a judge who needs to make a decision about who's going to handle these things, they know what you wanted and will almost certainly do what you wanted. And then the third reason is that in this day and age, with roughly half of first marriages ending in divorce, there's a good chance that one of your minor children or more is a stepchild. Now, stepchildren have no legal right to inherit from somebody who is not a blood parent. So if you have a good relationship with your stepchild and you would like your stepchild to inherit from you, you need to do one of two things. One would be adopt your child, and then they'd be treated just as if they were a biological child. But that's not always possible. And so the other thing you can do is create an estate plan and specifically add that child or children into your plan and treat them essentially as if they were your biological child. Now, I realize these can be difficult things to think about and certainly difficult things to talk about. Nobody really wants to think about their own mortality, much less the possibility of passing away before your children does. But these are the sort of things that, as an estate planning attorney, I think about all the time. And so if you're in that situation where you've got minor children and you don't have an estate plan, pick up your phone and give me a call. We'll sit down, we'll talk about what you'd like to have happen, and we'll put a plan in place that'll let those wishes be carried out. Once again, I'm attorney John Ceci. I'm an estate planning attorney in Brighton, Michigan, and thanks for watching.